Hello, dear students, learners, and friends. Open source, closed weight, sovereign, blah, blah, blah. So many types of LLMs by access, and it's enough to confuse anyone. So, today we are going to cut down to the basics, the types of LLMs that exist from the perspective of access. And this is a very important session because these terms are used on a daily basis. So, let's get started. AI long story short, the types of LLMs. Hi and welcome to Billion Hope. This is Mentor Sandy bringing you AI for real impact. So, what I have done is to explain the types of LLMs, I have created a whole resource for you. This is on my website, insights.billionhopes.ai, and I will directly take up this resource, LLM types by access level. Wonderful resource I prepared specially for this session. I'll give you the link in the comments also, and you can follow me. And in just a few minutes, we'll clarify this once and for all. See, the very first thing is you can have closed models, open weight models, or open source models, as you can see. Closed models are the frontier labs from America, for example, or some from China, which are completely proprietary. You pay to use them. You can pay them. You can pay and use directly as a subscriber on their website, or you can pay and use in the backend via the API, the application programming interface. So API, app, web, whatever. So you cannot download closed models. Closed models are rented, proprietary, closed actually. So you cannot download and change them. Everything is a secret. The weights used are a secret. The algorithms used are a secret. The training data sets used are a secret. Only general things are known about it. Open weight models, you can download them, and open weight models, you can put them on your own machines and servers, but the complete training data and the algorithms may not be available to you. You get all that with the final word in openness, which is open source, fully transparent, fully customizable and modifiable. So that's how it is. Here are the three basic AI models: closed source models, open weight models, and open source models. Got it? Fully open. The examples, the leading frontier examples are given. OpenAI, the latest GPTs, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, XAI Grok, they are generally closed source. With open weight, Meta Llama, Alibaba Qwen, Mistral, and open source, where everything is given, these are the relatively lesser known because no company actually does it unless it is for some scientific research purpose, etc. Then if you go one step deeper, this open versus closed debate actually is about ownership and control. So, how do you access that model? API only model. So, here, cloud rented access. You don't run the model yourself. Your app sends a request to the company server and you get responses, and you are billed for every request you send and the size of the response you get. So, depending on the total tokens consumed bidirectionally, you end up paying for it. And there are open router like sites that enable you to do all this. And you can pick and choose which LLM you want. So, here, dependency on the pricing, geostrategic policies, outages, and that company controls a kill switch, they can simply stop access and you are gone, you are finished. So, AI APIs will definitely in the coming years become a political trade tool, because if America and a person like Trump decides not to allow access to its frontier labs, you're gone. The kill switch is exercised and all AI comes to an end if you're dependent on them. That is why most companies are going in for sovereign AI stacks. Self-hostable model, you can run them on your own servers, you download and you run it on your own. So you have full control over privacy, latency, cost, but then this is technically a very intense thing. You have to manage everything on your own. Edge models, they run on your phone, devices, etc. I have covered edge models, edge AI in another playlist. I have given a very detailed video on that. Please do see that. Various playlists, check out all the other videos. And since you're here, please do subscribe to the channel and spread the good word. Thank you. And do comment. Then you have distilled model. This is what the complaint by Claude has been recently. Dario Amada has been saying that the Chinese have been distilling my models and stealing from me, something that Anthropic itself stores from the internet. So these are four ways: API only, self-hostable, edge models, and distilled models. So this is how you can look at these four. I hope this makes it easy, right? So this is the beautiful resource. This page I have linked below. You can open and read it. So API only models, self-hostable, edge, and distill models. And then broadly, there are seven categories. Finally, if you have to give a finishing touch to it, long story short, closed source model, proprietary API only. Open weight, the weights are released, training code is not fully open. Open source models, fully open, including the training data set, algorithm, you do whatever modification you want. Research only open model, academic and experimental. Enterprise licensed models. This is the fifth variety. Commercial self hosting is allowed. There is a paid license, but they do not share the complete source with you. Some Mistral enterprises release Cohere command, private enterprise LLMs, and there are people who can develop it for you, AI engineers who can do it. There are companies that do that, enterprise specific customizable LLM. Fully sovereign and domestic model, government or national stacks. India is trying to build one, truly speaking, and many other countries in the Middle East also are. And here, only that government actually exercises control on that. So you can have defense specific AI solutions, public sector AI clouds, etc. And open washing models. So they claim it is open, just like we have green washing. Similarly, you have AI washing. Similarly, you have open washing where they claim it is open, but practically it is closed and there are a lot of restrictions. So the conclusion here broadly is these are the different kinds of models available. Depending on who you are, what your budget is, and what your immediate needs are, you will pick and choose a mix of models. From a national perspective, for any country to be totally dependent on the West or on China or on Mistral like European models is self defeatist. It can also be suicidal during extreme geopolitical tension. So, this is an evolving scenario. I hope I was able to give you a very quick insight into types of LLMs. So, now the link to the resource is given. Open it and go through it at length. And since you will be there, I invite you also to check out the hundreds upon hundreds of beautiful posts on our Insights website. Every possible category of current developments in AI is covered on insights.billionhopes.ai. Check it out, you're going to love it. That's about it from me. I hope you're enjoying Billion Hopes and all the videos. Share with us what more topics you would want. This is Mentor Sandy bringing you AI for real impact. See you soon.